All right, thank you for watching. This is the Wicked Warnings No Cut Auto Flasher Kit demonstration on the DRL lights and the front amber turn signals in the 2020 and up Ford Super Duty. Same kit applies to the 2017 to 2019 Super Duty if it has the OEM LED lighting. No wires are needed to be cut in this kit at all. And this is two kits. One kit on the turn signal, so if you want only amber, no problem. There's another kit on the white DRL. They are synchronized together to create this display, but there are 29 displays, so you can feel free to choose your own pattern and make the kit flash exactly how you would like it. This kit is most likely ran off of your factory auxiliary switches, but can be ran off of an auxiliary extra switch as well. If you have a different switching mechanism in your truck, that's no problem.